Don't say, I'm very tired. Say instead, I'm exhausted. Don't say, it's very hot today. Say instead, it's scorching today. Don't say, I'm very hungry. Say instead, I'm starving. Don't say, she is very pretty. Say instead, she is gorgeous. Don't say, he is very happy. Say instead, he is thrilled. Don't say, it's very cold outside. Say instead, it's freezing outside. Don't say, the movie was very good. Say instead, the movie was excellent. Don't say, he is very bad at math. Say instead, he is terrible at math. Don't say, I'm very scared. Say instead, I'm terrified. Don't say, the house is very big. Say instead, the house is enormous. Don't say, this task is very easy. Say instead, this task is effortless. Don't say, the sunset is very beautiful. Say, the sunset is breathtaking. Don't say, the assignment is very tough. Say, the assignment is demanding. Don't say, it's very urgent. Say, it's critical. Don't say, I'm very thirsty. Say, I'm parched. Don't say, she is very friendly. Say, she is approachable. Don't say, this project is very useful. Say, this project is valuable. Don't say, he is very talkative. Say, he is chatty.